In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage and set up service charges using the Fresha platform. If you're ready to optimize your billing processes, let's dive right in. To get started, we need to navigate over to the Fresha dashboard. Once you're there, shift your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon that represents the settings for your account. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open up the settings menu. Within the settings menu, various options will appear, guiding you through all aspects of account management. Our focus today is under the Sales section. Locate Sales among the menu options and click on it. This section will lead you to various sales tools and features that are available to streamline your operational workflows. Once you're inside the sales area, look for the option labeled Service Charges, located on the left sidebar. Selecting this will bring you into the section where you can manage and set up your service charges. Look for the Add button, which allows you to initiate the process of creating a new service charge. You'll now need to enter the name of your service charge. Make sure it's a name that clearly identifies the charge type to avoid confusion later on. Below that, provide a thorough description. This helps ensure clarity for both you and your clientele about what the service charge encompasses. Next, you'll need to adjust the settings to specify whether the service charge should apply to the full sale value or just to selected item types. This flexibility allows you to tailor charges based on different scenarios your business might encounter. You'll then determine the rate type for the service charge. Fresha provides 3 options here: flat, percentage, or both. Choosing the correct rate type is crucial, as it dictates how the service charge will be applied and calculated during transactions. Additionally, you'll want to adjust the tax rate applicable to your service charge. Ensure that the tax rate set complies with your local regulations and business needs. After you've fine-tuned all these settings, you're ready to finalize the service charge setup. Simply click the Add button at the top of the interface. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a new service charge in Fresha. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage service charges within your business, ensuring a smooth, transparent billing process for your clients. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on using Fresha to its fullest potential. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next